And how are you all? And in this lecture, we will see one stock market project which name is stock market analysis. And in this project, there are 7 types of the column and 4858 row. In column name, date, open, high, low, close, adjacent close, and according to all these column, we need to predict what is the volume of the stock. Date, which is represent what is the date of the particular stock. Open, which is represent what is the opening price of the stock as per the particular date. And high means what is the highest price, low means what is the lowest price, close means the closing price of the stock, adjacent close means adjacent close price of the stock as per the particular date. And according to all column consider to find the volume of the stock, so that we will use pandas to read our CSV file. And after that we will use NumPy, and first we will see what are the four rows, top four rows we will see by using head function. And after we was seen there is a null value or not, but in our data set there is a non-null value. And after that we will see what is the shape of the data. It means 4858 row and there are 7 columns. To construct our machine learning model, it will allow only integer data type, string will not allow. So that our date column is a string which is not allowed in our machine learning model. So what we will do for the string to integer convert? So we can convert the day, month, year, is weekend, quarter by using this date. So we will do data of year. It means we will construct only year part of the particular day. Month means we will only consider what is the month. Day means we will consider the day of the particular date. It means 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, all type of the day we will consider here. And day of week, it means what is the day. Monday means 0, Sunday means 1, Sunday means 6, Tuesday means 1, it means 1 to 6 days are considered. And is weekend, it means Saturday and Sunday there is a holiday, and all other day there is a no weekend. And quarter means there are 4 types of the quarter: quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. January, February and March, which 3 months belongs to quarter 1. Then April, May, June, these 3 months belong to quarter 2. July, August, September, these 3 months belongs to quarter 3. And October, November and December, these all 3 months belongs to quarter 4. So there are 4 types of the quarter. So we will construct the date. We will construct year, month, day of week, is weekend or not, and quarter according to the date column. So there is no need of the date column because it is a string and our machine learning model is not allow a string. So we will drop the date column. And after constructing our day, month, all type of the columns, we will see head of the data. So see 2004, 8, 19, day of week means 3, weekend 0, it means there is a no weekend. In quarter 3, and the August month, 8 month means August month, which is belongs to quarter 3. So that here quarter 3. So first we will simplify X type of the columns and Y. X means all type of the data are belongs to X column, and only volume which are belongs to Y column, because Y means our classification column. It means what we want to predict. It means we need to predict only volume column, so that we will use the volume column in Y. First, we will use the training and testing data. It means testing data is 30% and training data is 70%. So that we will construct X train, Y train, X test, Y test by using this method. And first we will see linear regression. So we will create a linear regression model, and after that fit and predict the result, and finally we will see the accuracy. Accuracy is 0.57%, which is very low. So that we will use another type of the model, which name is random forest regressor. In random forest regressor, we will give random state 20, and it will create a random forest model, then we will feed, then we will predict, and finally we will check the accuracy of the random forest regressor, which is 0.78%. It means 78% accuracy, which is increased as compared to the previous model. So we will consider random forest model, and first we will do some sample data, and according to the sample data we will predict what is the volume of this simple data. And after that we will import our pkl file which is used in our front end. So our front end, I will use a Flask. So first I will import a Flask from the Flask, NumPy's, Pandas and JobLib, all type of the model I will use in my project. So there are two methods, get and post, and this is our data of input. And according to this input, I want to predict only volume. So this is my form code. In form, there are many type of the columns available: opening stock, high, low, closing price, adjacent closing price, year, month, day, day of week, is weekend, quarter. See, I already show there are four type of the quarter. And after that, whenever we are click on the predict button, then it will be predicted what is the volume of the our project. And see the output. If I press opening stock price and predict, this is validation. Please fill out all the form field first. Closing price, lowest price, adjacent stock price, year I will use 2025, and the month range between 1 to 12. There is a no 13 month is available. So if I press 13 month, then it display validation month less than or equals to 12. Same for day, week, is weekend or not, in quarter. There are four type of the quarterly available. So if I press 32, it will return value must be less than or equals to 31. Same for day. Here only two value are available, 0 or 1. Quarter may. So this is our predicted volume which I want to know. So this project is also available in render website which is live. You can access this project by using this URL. So thank you for watching.